Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to create the content you want? Do you wish there was a one-stop shop for all your content creation needs? Look no further than Descript. Whether you're creating an explainer video, sales presentation, podcast, social media post, or just a video message to a teammate, Descript has got you covered. With Descript, you can quickly write and edit your script and watch your video come to life as you type. And here are unique features of Descript that will blow your mind. Removing your background with just one click. If you're looking for a background removal tool for your videos that doesn't require a green screen during filming, Descript has your back. With Descript, you can record and edit your video, then replace the background with a new image with drag and drop ease. Descript can do it for you whether you want a plain white or dynamic photo background. To remove the background of a video file, click Media File, then click Add the file in the right corner, choose the file from the computer and upload it, and on the right-hand side, click on Effects. Once you click on Effects, click on Green Screen, and once you do that, it applies a green screen so you can see the slider or this particular thing running around here. It's currently using the green screen for a video, so we'll need to give it a few seconds. If you have a huge file, it may take a long time, but this is done so you can turn it off. That's what it looks like now. We can go to the media and then look for maybe backgrounds right inside here and see what we can work with, perhaps what is working best for us so we can get like this one and bring it onto the scene so motion lines abstract the background. So once we do that, it's going to start downloading the media to import it into this particular scene. After replacing the background, right-click on the screen and move it backward. Let's explore the second feature, text-to-speech. First and foremost, write the script in the left side script panel. An ad at a screen will pop up to select the speaker. It is up to you to use a male or female voice. Select the voice, and you can fix mistakes in your audio recordings without shuffling back into the recording studio. Descript's Overdub uses AI to create a natural-sounding synthetic version of your voice that you can use in any audio or video you create. Use AI to remove background noise, annihilate unwanted ambient sounds, and enhance speakers' voices with just a single click of Descript Studio Sound. To Bejang with Descript, go with following steps. Step 1. Import your file. Import your file into Descript as a new project. Once it's imported, as file inputted, it started transcribing the audio file in no minutes. Now follow the steps. Step 2. Add Studio Sound. As soon as transcription is complete, you'll be able to select the audio in the timeline. This will open a variety of options in the right panel. Click on the plus sign next to Audio Effects. Then, select Audio Repair using Studio Sound. Let Studio Sound do its AI thing. After a few seconds, you'll be able to adjust its intensity and hear the magic at work. One of the best features is the Quick Recorder, allowing you to make video or screen recordings without opening the main app. The Quick Recorder has most of the functionality that the in-app recorder does, but there are a few crucial differences between the two recorders. Quick recordings automatically publish when you stop your recording, so they're ready to share earlier. Video recording or screen capturing in the main app will record separate video and audio tracks and create a multi-track sequence with them. The Quick Recorder will create a single file that includes both audio and video. Now, the other great thing that Descript provide automatically free and best feature is addition of subtitles. Believe it or not, most videos on social media are viewed with the sound off. So the best way to ensure your message gets across is to add subtitles. It's also crucial to make your video accessible for all audiences. And with Descript, it's easy and free. Simply press Command plus K, Control plus K and type fancy captions. There is alternative method by pressing Control plus Alt plus T. From their select captions, the fancy captions are inserted in your scene. If you want to change the font size, color of text, simply click on Subtitle, and on the right sidebar you can customize according to you. And if you need to move your project into other editing tools like Pro Tools, Final Cut Pro, or Adobe Apps, Descript makes it easy. Overall, Descript is a powerful and versatile tool for content creation, and its unique features make it stand out from other tools in the market. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Descript and start bringing your ideas to life today.